Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Astu is back. I have this 2019 Chevy Traverse. So I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. Alright. Before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, your opinions, suggestions, ideas, put it in the comment box for me, please. Alright, let's get it. So, the car is running. You can do it when the car is running or just when it's on. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna use this guy right here. It's the same with our 2018, 2017 Chevy Traverse. So we're just gonna scroll down. Until you see that guy. What you're gonna do is hold this until it resets itself, or just scroll to the right. I'm gonna show you that. Mark the reset option, then press check. Are you sure that you want to reset it? Yes. That's all you gotta do. Alright. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. I'll catch you later, alright? It was a stool. Boom. Meow. Hey!